Namaskaram, hello all, welcome to Rupa Cloth Store, and today's episode we are going to see 10 yards Madurai cotton sarees. Madurai cotton sarees is always a traditional variety and it is very soft and hand woven. ரொம்ப சாஃப்டாக இருக்கும் போது இந்த கையில் நெய்கிற சாரீ தான் அது. It will be very apt for gifting purpose because it won't have black threads on it. The sarees are very suitable for சுமங்கலி பிரார்த்தனை or for temple use. அதாவது அம்பாளுக்கு சாத்துறதுக்கு இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஆப்டான சாரியாக இருக்கும். And this sarees comes with the traditional checks patterns like பாலங்குருமம் கட்டும் and stripesல வரும். It comes in stripes and also plainலியும் அது வரும். மேஜர் சுந்தரராஜன் சார் மாதிரி தமிழ் ஒரு வாட்டி இங்கிலீஷில் ஒரு வாட்டி சொல்கிறேன்னு வச்சுக்காதீங்க. This will be very helpful for other state peoples also. All the sarees are fresh and album sarees. We can see the sarees one by one in this video. நம்ம இது எல்லாத்தையுமே வந்து இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். என்னென்ன கலர்ஸ் இருக்குது, என்னென்ன பேட்டர்ன்ஸில் இருக்குது அப்படின்றத we will show it to you. Please do visit Rupa Cloth Store or subscribe and like our channel and click the bell icon to get regular updates. People who cannot visit our shop can purchase through online and the payment can be done through Google Pay or account transfer. And also for the overseas customers who are buying online can transfer through MoneyGram or account transfer. And we don't accept CODs. Once the order is placed, the item will be shipped in next day, or if it falls on Sunday, the item will be shipped in next working day. As we are shipping from Chennai, the Chennai customers will receive in 2 days of time. People from other states like Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh, they will receive it in 3 to 4 working days, and the rest of the states it will take 5 to 6 working days. And we are very glad to introduce, we have a 1-hour delivery program. That is, people who live in Chennai limits will get their items within an hour of time, and again it depends on the distance and also the weight.
The first saree in this episode is a beautiful 10 yards multi-checks pattern with a thread border. The whole body comes with a multicolor checks with a pink, green and yellow shade, and you'll be getting an elephant design and a thread border. It's a 1-inch border and no zari in it. So this will be your body part. And here goes the pallu. It will be a simple talappu, that is adayar talappu. All over the pallu you'll be getting the lines. So in case if you want to place the order, you can directly visit Rupa Cloth Store or you can reach the below WhatsApp number. The price of the saree will be 990. The second one is a 10 yards vibrant color, that is MS blue in a line pattern. So all over the body you will be having a double shade line, that is one comes in a blue and another in a darker blue shade. And here the border part you are getting the bottom, here there is no zari, and upper part only a thin line of zari it is coming with a floral pattern. So this is the body, and pallu again will be in the self pattern with a line talappu. In case if you want to make it as a ready-made Madiza, you can go for it, either Iyer or Iyengar Madiza on additional cost. Price of the saree will be 1230. So this is another beautiful multicolor checks pattern, and it is a 10 yard saree, pure cotton and fully hand woven. And here you can see the multicolor checks pattern in pink, blue, green and a brown shade. So it's a multicolor vibrant shades, and you'll be getting a thread border, and this will be your body part. And all the sarees are preferred for Sumangali Prathanai, since it is 100% cotton, 10 yards and no black threads used in this kind of sarees. And this is your pallu. Pallu will be a line pallu, and the price of the saree will be 1230. You can also place the order by reaching the below WhatsApp number. So this is another beautiful 10 yard saree, comes in a plain pattern with retapet border, and the body color comes in a mandulir color, and here the retapet border comes in a green color with a mango pattern on it, and a simple zari woven saree and 100% cotton. this will be your body, and all the saree doesn't have blouse, and full 10 yards will be there. And this is your pallu part. You can also directly visit Rupa Cloth Store, see more collections, and price of the saree will be 1170. So another color, it's a peacock blue with a maroon shade. This one comes in a maroon and a dark maroon pattern. This one comes in a brown with a dark brown and a green combination. This one comes in a light maroon with a dark maroon combination. So this is another pretty color in a 10 yards cotton saree. It's a Madurai cotton, and you'll be getting a retapet border with a contrast color in a green shade, and in body you'll be getting a simple line like a checked pattern, and all this comes in a, it is a brown color. If you have a closer look, you can see the color shades. There will be no black in this saree, and this will be your body. So all over the body you will be getting the same check patterns. So I will be showing the pallu part. So as I said, all the saree will comes with a simple line talapu. And since none of the sarees comes with blouse, we can match the blouses like 2x2, Mangalagiri cottons, brocade or tissue as fabric, or ready-made blouses. So ready-made blouses also will be getting a different sizes, and with 2x2 on brocade, all those things will be getting in a ready-made blouse. And for example, this is one of the Mangalagiri cotton fabric which we regularly match for customers. This is 1 meter Mangalagiri cotton. It's a pure cotton with a zari border, and a meter cost is 96 rupees. And price range of the saree will be 1245. So this is another beautiful traditional color, that is a maroon, and all-time favorite color. This also comes in a retapet border with a thread border, and all over the body you will be getting stripes. So this is your body, and these sarees are much preferred for temples also. And pallu will be getting a line pallu. So all the sarees will have a good length and a height, and even tall people can prefer this saree. And price of the saree will be 1140. Here comes the another simple and elegant 10 yards Madurai cotton. It comes in much bigger checks in a multicolor pattern. It's a vibrant color. It's a green and violet, pink, all shades are mixed up, and you'll be getting a zari border in a mango shape in this saree. So this will be your body part. So here you can see the pallu. Sometimes the color may vary due to monitor resolution. Price of the saree will be 1230. The next saree with another beautiful color combination with a violet and a light blue shade combination, and here the border comes in a thread border with a gobram and annam pattern, and all the saree comes in a traditional patterns, that is checked, line, plain. So and it will be so traditional and all time comfortable. So in case if you wish to convert as a ready-made madizar, either Iyer madizar or Iyengar madizar, you can go for it on additional cost. The pallu of the saree will be line pallu, sariyar talappu, and price range of the saree will be 1230. In case if you want to place the order, you can directly visit Rupa Cloth Store, or you can either place through WhatsApp on below shown number. Final saree of this episode is another checked pattern. It's a minute checked design, and here you comes with a thread pattern. It's a temple shaped thread pattern. A horse pattern is given in this border, and all over the body you'll be getting a minute checks. So here goes the pallu. So So this will be your pallu. Hope you like all the collections. Please do visit Rupa Cloth Store and subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.